can't lose them. Stay close. How do we even walk on this?
One step at a time. Follow my lead. Are they helping us?
I think they like us. I feel the crystal. It's close.
Then we're going the right way. Hang on.
We're here. Stay focused.
Ready? Let's move carefully.
It's not mean, just scared.
Stay calm, Bao. Let's see what it does. It's scared, not attacking, yet.
We need to be careful. It could react any second.
Watch out!
Keep moving. We can handle this.
We move together.
Stay sharp, Bao. I've got this. Almost. Careful, Bao. Don't let it hit Hopper. Careful. Watch the trails. Keep moving. Got you, Cap. Hold on. Whoa, thanks, Bao. Hold steady, everyone. This will protect us. Great timing, Bao. On my way. Watch your footing. Now, wait for the third bounce, then jump. Got it. Timing it perfectly.
Nice redirect.
Keep the rhythm, just like we practiced.
Stay with me.
Right beside you. Whoa! Whoa! Brace! Hold on! Bao, grab something. I'm trying. Hang on. I've got it! Hold fast! Roots holding steady.
It's scared. We have to help.
Then we stay calm and together. That's it, the crystal. That's what's hurting it.
So it's not evil, it's trapped.
It's hurting. It's not attacking us. It's trapped. I see. Then we help, not fight.
We calm it together.
Yes, we move gently, not fight. We're here to help, not hurt. We move together, gently. Together,
we can calm it.
we move as one, trust the rhythm.
It's working. Stay with me.
We've got you.
You're safe now.
Everything's back to balance. Harmony is restored. We did it together. All done. Great teamwork, everyone. Ribbit, ribbit.
Got it. Safe and sound.
Perfect timing, Bao.
Ribbit, ribbit. You're free, Hopper.
All safe now.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
We did it! Best team ever! Ribbit, ribbit!
Balance is restored. And we did it together. Ribbit.